What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome here to another episode on 5-star cars. Only another quick one, guys, just a follow up to my previous video about the Life of Palos one. Before I get actually going on that, so just so you know that what I'm going to do is I will be going back to my regular videos shortly, like the longer ones. For now it's just kind of short ones because I just don't have the time to do longer ones, but I'm off in the next few days, so I will do longer videos. If you're new to the channel, guys, I just want to thank everybody that's subscribed so far. Really, it does mean a lot. Trust me, I don't break my promises. If we get bigger, we will be doing the project car, but I really do want to turn this into kind of a talk show and bring people on the channel and talk to them about other car YouTubers. The whole point of this channel is to discuss what's going on in the supercar community. That's why I do these videos, because where I live there's no supercars. I can't go out and vlog like Stradman or DD and stuff like that. I don't have that option. So I just like to, ask stuff that I'm thinking that I observe on these videos, and I love discussing these things with you guys below in the comment section, and that's what I'm here to do. Look, guys, at the end of the day, I'm a tiny nobody YouTuber. I don't give a shit what I say. There's no repercussions on what I do. This is following into my video yesterday. Aaron did reach out to me on Instagram to explain basically the way he has to do with the FTC, that if it's a sponsored video he has to say it's sponsored and stuff like that. I think one or two people did get mixed up into the way I was coming across, maybe in the video, I'm not too sure. I'm not here to bash anybody. I'm basically an observer of things I see on these other people's channels, and I always just ask the question to you guys because I like seeing your thoughts and opinions below, and I just give my thoughts and opinions. I do watch Aaron's channel. I don't watch all of his videos. I don't agree with all of his videos, stuff like that. But what I think we have to remember at the end of the day is when you get big enough, and it's your full-time job, it turns into a business. And when you have a business, which YouTube is for a lot of people, you need to generate money. And look, as I said in my other video, I don't care what way he generates money. If DD and Stradman, whoever else pays him for plugs and stuff like that, fair dues to him. I really don't give a shit. Again, it's a business. That's what you do to generate money. It's your full-time job. For me, I just don't give a fuck because I'm a small YouTuber and it won't affect me and my opinions. This isn't my full-time job. Hopefully someday this channel can get to a point where I can turn into a talk show and it'll be big enough. Now, in my situation, if we ever got to that point where we were getting massive YouTubers on the channel and I got in a position like Aaron from Life of Palos, then that would be different. They know people like DD and Stradman and stuff like that. So you have to be very careful about what you say, and you can't. I get it. You can't really kind of. He's in a very tricky place. It's in a rock and a hard place about what he can say about channels because of his influence in the supercar community on YouTube. Me, I can say what the fuck I want, and no, he won't really give a shit about my opinion. So I just wanted to cover up basically where I was coming from with the video, just to say, look, I get. I just wanted to hear from you guys. Do you think he was biased because his titles were mostly DD and Stradman? Somebody did say in the comments below that mine are a lot as well. I already said in that video, yes, I know I have a lot in my headlines, but again, it doesn't matter to me because I can put them in my headline and I could call out DD or Stradman or whoever big YouTuber and basically go headstrong in and be an absolute prick if I want to be, and it won't make an effect on me. It would for Aaron and his channel. So that was just basically, I just wanted to see what you guys think. And that's why I was just making the video. As I said, guys, somebody did say to him that I had a question to him. He reached out to me and said I made a video on him to ask him a question. I didn't ask anybody or anything to ask him a question about it at all, so I don't know where that came from. Fair dues, Aaron, for reaching out to me and giving me the answer about the FTC thing, and if he gets paid sponsorship, that's fine. Didn't have to. I wasn't expecting it. But yeah, I look, guys, at the end of the day, look, it's his business, it's his job, that's what he does, and I have no issue with it. As I said, I watch his channel as well. It was just an observation, and look, I'm here for the cars like everybody else, and I said the way I do my channel is I watch the videos throughout the day and I pick the 5 videos that I want to cover and talk about them in my own thoughts and opinions, and then talk to you guys in the comments below. That is it. And look, guys, as I said, if we get big enough to get to a point where, you know, we are in that position like Aaron, where we can make friends with big car YouTubers, then obviously my position will obviously have to change, and what I say, and I have to be more careful. But until now, I really don't give a shit, and we'll just keep going on until whatever happens with this channel. So that was just my video for today, guys. Thanks very much. I will have a normal video out tomorrow, and I will be covering other car YouTubers and get back to normal schedule. For now, that's it. Thanks very much if you watched the end. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, and do comment below, guys. Again, it's great to chat to you, and thanks for everybody that subscribed so far and comment below on my videos. You are legends. So till then, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.